So this is the latest thing I made called the Dyno holder, and you could probably guess what it does. So, pretty much, it's a PLA jacket, so you can get a wide variety of colors, but on the inside is a nylon insert, so it could provide some heat resistance, and down at the bottom there's a magnet to do most of the cooling. So without this nylon insert, if you just use PLA and without a magnet, this whole thing would just melt and it would probably get all over the Dynavap. But you add the nylon insert and it gets a lot more heat resistant. And yeah, let me show you how it works. Yeah, there you go. Also, I forgot to mention that they have the adhesive backing on it just like the other pen holder that I made, and so you could stick this on your desk and it'll come with an extra adhesive, but this one can actually be reused several times, so you could stick it, break it off, stick it, break it off, and stick it again a few times before that wears out. Thank you for watching.